Rhymings. True or false questions. Introduction. On the following slides, you read a question about rhyming. Say the words out loud to see if they are rhyming words. Cat rhymes with bag. True. Blue rhymes with pink. False. Shoe rhymes with go. False. Mark rhymes with art. True. Sad rhymes with mad. True. Red rhymes with red. True. Hot rhymes with hat. Hat rhymes with hat. False. Dog rhymes with log. Dog rhymes with log. True. Thank you.